Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel InfoBairy. If you are new here, my name is Zubair Afzal and I make educational videos to help you excel in your professional and personal life. Today we are diving into a crucial skill that everyone needs to be a master, and that is writing a good official email. By the end of this video, you will be emailing like a boss. Let's get started with the basics. And a good official email consists of several key components. That first is a clear subject line, then a proper greeting, a well structured body, a polite closing, and the last one, but not the least, a professional signature. Then, first thing first, the subject line. It is the first thing your recipient will see, so make it clear and concise. It should give a brief idea of the email's content. And example is like we are going to start, we will make a new professional email. So first thing subject line, and that is our subject line is meeting request for project alpha. Second is the greeting words. Greeting. Always start with a polite greeting and address the recipient. Address the recipient by their proper title and name. If you are unsure of their title, then you will like dear, first name, last name, and then usually it's like a safe bet. And our example is like a dear first name last name. Now for the body of your email, this is where you can convey your message. Start with a brief introduction. Introduce yourself, briefly explain who you are and why you are contacting the recipient, especially when they don't know you well. Then state your main point, get straight to the reason of your email. Be clear and upfront about what you need and what you are offering, and include every additional information that the other recipient needs to understand your message. But the main thing, keep it concise and focus on the main point. Like our example is, this is of my channel. So my name is project Zubair Afzal and I am the project manager of project alpha, which we are discussing about, and I'm writing to request a meeting to discuss our upcoming milestones and ensure we aligned on the project progress. Then we goes to closing. Wrap up your email with a polite closing. Thank the recipient for their time and consideration, and express your willingness to provide further information if needed. Like this, thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to your response. In the end, insert your signatures. Include a professional signature, and this should contain your full name, position, your company, your contact information, like this. Best regards, wherever the project manager, project alpha, company name, InfoBairy, and then my telephone number and my email. Now that we have covered the component of a good official email, let's put it together with an example. So we are going to start, put it in an example, like I will let you know how we can write a professional email. So this is the email template. Like I open a Gmail compose email. So starting with the email, then this is the subject. and this is our body, like this is our main part of the email, and this is a signature. I wrote signature here, but we can insert signature, like this is like insert signature option. I click it, then I have no signature, my signature, and you have to go manage signature. Actually, you have to go your Gmail and then settings. This is the setting of the Gmail. Go to setting, see all settings. Scroll down, and here it is the signature. Star. I created project manager signature. You can create your new signature on clicking the create new, and wrote your whole signature here. Then scroll down and save changes. So here we already created a signature. I put a signature. I wrote a whole email. You can change your email font, your email font size. You can bold, color. You can adjust the indent, right, left, and you can also quote your email. So this is how we create a professional email. But I also have a surprise, like a cheat sheet for you. How can you use the some statements, some phrases in the business email? Let's check it out. So here, if we took a while, but we can deal. So don't say sorry for the delay. Say thanks for your patience. Likewise, my schedules matters too. You can say, you can't say what works best for you. You can say, could you do? Like same, yeah, you are welcome. No problem, no worries. This is not like a professional. Please use always help. Happy to help. Then I made a small error. Don't say, oh, sorry, my bad, totally missed that. Uh, Say, be professional. Say, thanks for letting me know. If you got some working, hard working, uh, you're writing email for 40 minutes. Don't say this. This not looks professional. Say, it would be easier to discuss in person. Don't be self. Uh, you can say, uh, I I think maybe we should. Don't say. You say it would be best if we. If we sounds better and professional. Uh, just wanted to check in. Don't say this. You can say, when can I expect an update? If you want to talk about the appointment, don't say, could I possibly leave early? You should say, I will need to leave for at. At means mention some time. And in the end, do you get it? Don't say that. Hopefully that makes sense. Don't say that. Say, let me know if you have questions. It would sound better and it makes some sense. It makes some good impression on the other. So this is the all the hacks of business email in this video. I hope so you get to know about the whole how to write a business and official email as a profession. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe the InfoBairy YouTube channel and share. Also, if you like this video, please press the like button and also leave a comment for motivation. Thank you so much.